Hello students, we started the new chapter Effects of Electric Current. In the last video, we discussed about the activity which was given on the page number 47 and 48. This activity, in that activity, we learn about the electrical power. Also, we learn about the SI unit of the electrical power. So, electrical power is nothing but the rate at which work is done, or you can say the work done per unit time. So, we have learned about that definition, and also we have seen about the SI unit of the electrical power, that is the watt. The electricity in our home is brought through the main conducting cable through from the either from the electric pole or from underground cables. Usually there are three wires in the cable. One is called live wire, which brings the current inside the house. It has a red or brown insulation. The other wire is called neutral wire, through which the current returns. It is blue or black. In India, the potential difference between the live and neutral wire is about 220 volt. The third wire is called earth wire and is of yellow or green in color. It is connected to metal plate buried deep underground near the house and is for the safety purposes. So this live wire and the we can say neutral wire, these are connected to electric meter through a fuse. There are different types of fuse in use. You can see in the figure there are the different types of the fuses are used in the different appliances. So these fuses are there. They are the we can say that they are their body is there. It is made up of the porcelain or we can say ceramic material. Some fuses are there. They are not of the we can say ceramic, but just we can say that there are the glass is there, and glass is covered with the we can say that the covering one. So different types of fuses are shown in the figure. You go through that, you will find out the different types of fuses in the different appliances one. This fuse, it contains wire that is called fuse wire, which is used to protect domestic appliances. It is made up of mixture of substances and has specific melting point. It is connected in series to the electrical appliances. If for some reason the current in the circuit increases excessively, the fuse wire gets heated up and melts. The circuit gets broken and the flow of current stops. Thus, the fuse protects the appliance. Means it because of the we can say that the fuse wire of having the specific melting point, the when the excess current comes inside the house, that time this wire gets melt and that wire does not pass further. It means the circuit breaks, so it can protect the appliances one. So this wire is there fitted in the groove in the body of porcelain like non-conducting material. You can see in the figure the last we can say that the fuse, which is the non-conducting material, ceramic material is there. So there are different types of fuse wires are used in the different types of the fuses. They have different we can say that the limits 1 ampere or 2 ampere or 3 ampere 4 ampere 5 ampere or 10 ampere. Different we can say that the upper limits of the we can say having fuse wires are used in the different we can say fuses one. Let us discuss about the short circuit. Several times we heard about a certain building or any suppose in certain complex it catches fire because of the we can say short circuit. So let us learn how this happens, how this we can say that the different appliances or different we can say that the equipment in the house catches fire because of the short circuit. So the when excess current comes inside the house, that time that wire gets melts, and then we can say that the fuse we can say protect the appliances one. But instead of having the fuse or fuse wire, sometimes what happen, there is a we can say short circuit occur. So let us see what is meant by the short circuit. So, due to the fault in the equipment, or if the plastic coating on the live and neutral wire gives way, the both these wires, that is a live wire and the we can say neutral wire, come in contact with each other, and a large current flows through the we can say that this wire one, and it produces heat. And at that time when the more amount of we can say current passes, large amount of heat is produced, and that heat, in case any inflammable material comes in between, suppose we can say wood, cloth or any plastic is there, then it catches the fire, means around, suppose that wire contain the huge amount of current, that time it produces the we can say large amount of heat, and this heat we can say that the is taken up by the we can say cloth or we can say wood or any plastic material which is nearby it, and then it catches fire. And that time what happen here, the fuse wire is there, it is used for the we can say precautionary measure. So even here we can say that this large current is passed, but because of the large current we can say that that there is a chances of the materials, inflammable materials, to catches fire, and mishap occur. So we can say now short circuiting means when a bare live wire, means when the we can say that the outer covering of the wire, live wire, or we can say that this neutral wire comes in contact with each other, that time the resistance in the circuit decreases, it becomes small. It means a very high current flows through it. Means whenever we can say that the large current produces, at that time the resistance in the wire gets decreased one, and that condition is called as short circuit. So in this case a large amount of heat is produced, and the temperature of components involved becomes very high, and hence the circuit catches fire. That is called the short circuiting. Now let us start the overloading. Sometimes at home we use the different appliances at the same time, and these appliances of having the high rating. High rating, it means they have the we can say that they needs the more current. They have the we can say that more potential difference. When we have to apply more potential difference, and they need the more current, such as we can say that the mixer, or we can say that the heater, or we can say even a TV, even we can say that this AC, means all the high rating instruments or appliances are there. Even we can say refrigerator, whatever those, it means we can say that receives the more current one. That appliances if we use simultaneously, then there is a shortage of the we can say that the electricity one. So that condition, it is we can say that there is a overloading. Because of overloading we face the we can say power failure. Nowadays we are learning about the we are facing about the we can say the less quantity of the electricity one. So more times we face the shutdowns. So it happens because all the people in that locality, they use the we can say high rating instruments, appliances at the same times. So they fetch the current, and then the we can say that the overloading occurs. So overloading means we can say that the a flow of large amount of current in the circuit beyond the permissible value of current. Means here overloading is called as a, we can say that the when a large amount of current in the circuit is flow beyond the permissible limit, then we can say that there is a overloading. And it occurs when the many electrical appliances of high power rating, such as we can say geyser, heater, oven, a motor, AC, or we can say refrigerator, all these are we can say switch on simultaneously, means at a one time. If we use all these appliances one, then it causes the we can say that the overloading. Sometimes it catches fire also. So this overloading can be avoided by not connecting many electrical appliances of high power rating in the same circuit. Means whenever we are facing such a problem, we should avoid to use the different types of the high rating appliances at a time. We can use the appliances, but we should not use at a time. It causes the we can say that the overloading one. Sometimes what happen, there is a we can say that the shortage of electricity and shutdowns in that area, so we can avoid overloading. Nowadays, instead of using the fuse or fuse wire, there are the miniature circuit breaking. We can say that the instruments are used that are called MCB. That is a miniature circuit breaking. This we can say that instruments are there. In that there are the fuse wire is there. Whenever the we can say that the high or excess current come inside the house, that time that uh, switch is there, switch becomes on. Switch becomes on means that we can say that the current does not flow further, and it saves the we can say that the different appliances. So in the figure there are the we can say that the different types of the miniature circuit breakings are given. So you can see that and see how this we can say that they have the different types of switches. Different switches are there, means once the we can say that the excess current comes, it becomes on, and it is for the we can say safety of the appliances at home. So dear students, we have seen the we can say that in this topic, in this video we have seen, we learn about the short circuiting as well as the overloading. So we can avoid overloading, also we can avoid the we can say short circuiting. For that, to avoid short circuiting, there must be a regular checkup of the wire. We must check the wires one. It should not be we can say that the bare one. If the bare wires are there, we have to replace. We have to call electricians and we have to replace such a wires one. So because of the bare wire one, we can say that the large amount of heat is produced. It decreases the we can say the resistance, and then large amount of heat is produced, which causes the short circuiting one. So both can be avoided if the proper care of the wire is taken. Okay, now you can see on the screen there is a homework is given. You have to take down this homework in the notebook and write their answers. Okay, thank you.